Namaskar, I am Dr. Vinita, Chief Ayurveda Physician in Adishakti Ayurveda Village. Today's topic is Ayurvedic diet. An Ayurvedic diet is an eating plan which provides guidelines to what you eat, when you eat, and how you eat to boost your immunity and prevent and manage diseases and improves your wellness. One of the primary characters of Ayurvedic diet is to eat according to your dominant constitution or doshas. First, you have to analyze your body and identify what kind of you are, like Vata, Pitta, or Kapha, the combinations of doshas, like that. According to that, you can choose your diet also. An Ayurvedic diet containing 6 tastes, that is sweet, salt, sour, pungent and astringent taste. Breakfast, that food containing sweet taste is better. For example, the fruits, etc. And for the lunch, you can have the food containing sour and salt taste, like seafood and citrus fruits, etc. For the dinner, we can have the food containing pungent, astringent and bitter taste, like green apple, green leafy vegetables, onions, etc. Before you are having your meals, you have to these things in your mind. Eat when you are feeling hunger, your previous meal has been digested. Eat mindfully and with concentration. Eat a sufficient quantity of food. Be concentrated on your breakfast and lunch. You can skip the dinner, may or may not be according to your hunger. You have to finish your dinner before 8 p.m. Now I'll give you small tips to prepare a tea according to your dosha constitution. Vata tea. The ingredients of Vata tea is 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of carom seed, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom plus 1 cup of boiled water. How to prepare? Mix all the herbs and herbs together and keep it in a cup of water and add 1 cup of boiled water, steep for 5 minutes. Strain and discard all the herbal ingredients, then serve it with warmly. The second one is Pitta tea. Now I will explain you how to prepare a Pitta tea. The ingredients of Pitta tea is 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seed, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seed, 5 petals of rose and 5 peppermints. Mix all the ingredients together and add 1 cup of boiled water, steep for 5 minutes, strain and serve it with cool or room temperature. The final one is Kabha tea. The ingredients of Kabha tea is 1 clove, 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger and 5 leaves of tulsi, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek powder. Mix all the ingredients together and 1 cup of boiled water added and steep for 5 minutes. Strain and serve the tea with hotly. Thank you all. Wish you all a healthy, safe life.